So welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro USD, right? No, on our EURJPY, sorry, on our EURJPY. Now, before that, if you are yet to subscribe and you have not done that yet, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make a comment, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So when you take a look at this your EURJPY, you will see that market is literally ranging within this level, right? Now, if you take a look at this, market has given us a breakout right now. Market has literally given us a breakout, which I see as a false breakout. I believe market will correct itself and come back in. So have it in mind that this what market is doing, it is just a fake breakout, for a fake breakout, false breakout, right? Market, yes, there's possibility that market will likely continue to push down, but that does not change the fact that this is a false breakout because anytime soon, market will correct itself and push up back. So whatever we want to do as a range trader, you can see that market is ranging. As you can see that this is our resistance. They rejected from our resistance back to our support. They came back to our resistance, now back to the support level. Then this is the first breakout the market did give us when it came to tap our resistance level, right? Market gave us a first breakout. Now it has corrected itself and dropped back in. Now this is also our resistance level, and now market has now dropped to give us a first breakout. So anytime so be looking for a buy setup that will make sure push price back in. So above all, we will be anticipating for a bullish move on EURJPY. Now, if there will be any changes to this moment that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.